Hi, here is another DIY video. Today we are going to make a DIY decor with pista shell. Let's get started. I have taken some thin stems. Basically it is bay leaf stem. I have some pista shell. Now let's take one and paint it with black acrylic color. I am painting this because it will give a bright and finished look to our decor. Similarly, paint all of them. Keep it aside to dry completely. Now take two similar size pista shell. Ensure the size by joining them. If the sizes are same, then apply glue on the sides. And keep the stem in the middle, then paste it. Let this dry for some time and then paste two another shells above it. Let this dry completely and you will get a flower shape like this. Similarly, make the rest. Keep this, we will take a bottle and paint it so that our decor looks stunning. Now arrange the stems and our DIY decor is ready.